gonna customize another guy. And the guy is... the girl is Black Widow from Avengers Infinity War. Alright, first, let's do the hair. We need some short hair. Yes, exact like this. This color. I don't know what body we can do for Infinity War Black Widow. Huh. You know what's weird? You can custom King's body, but why can't you use King's head, but you can use King's body to custom someone? That's just weird. Need to make green. Oh, that would be good for Black Panther. No, not Black Panther. Batman guy. Perfect. Vision's body. Vision's body is perfect. I wouldn't say perfect, but I think that would work. Oh yeah. Make sure she has black arms. Wow, that was quite easy for Black Widow. Only took us like 2 minutes. We just need to give her powers. Okay. That, why, weapons. Let's give her a gun. Okay. You have to make it way. And let's also get a baton, like a stick. What? Let's make this blue. Our stick's blue. Let's give her a staff. I think the staff will be better. And it is blue. Okay, now we're going to see what hearts. Red. We need a girl voice. I'll take the target. Now let's give her powers. No. Fixing. Fighting. Yeah, super jump. This is a Black Widow from Avengers Infinity War.
Fighting a bunch of snowmen earlier? Maybe I've been up here too long.
These constant villain attacks are no joke. Seriously, though, it's really dangerous out there.
Help! Help me, my brother!
Sorry to bother you, but yep, you guessed it. Some crime near
Well.
you needs fighting.
Very easy.
Because it was in software development.
Really makes you realize how precious every
Subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring the
snack bar for sitting
subscribe to my channel, like this video, ring the
Don't
bell,
mind if I do.
comment below, and bye.